Okay, good afternoon children. Today we are going to revise a gift of chappals. Even this chapter is going to come for exam. Okay, so let me revise the story. Already in previous video I did, but let me revise it one more time. So in this chapter we have few characters. Mridu. Mridu is a young girl who lives in Chennai and she stays with her grandmother and grandfather. One day she came to Rukumani's house, and what happened there? Already Ravi was there, Meena was there, Lali was there. When Mridu came to Rukumani's house, Ravi opened the door and dragged this Mridu in the backyard. In backyard they were having a small kitten, and kitten's name was Mahendran Varma Pallava Punne. How it happened? This boy Ravi went to Mahabalipuram for school trip, and from there he got the idea. He saw the statue of Pallava dynasty and he got the idea, and he just related that with this small kitten. And when they were discussing everything in the backyard, even Ravi told that if grandmother comes to know that we have a kitten in backyard, she will go to Padu Mama's house. That means our elders always give us advice that we have to be kind to animal, but once it comes to them, they are not ready for that. So that was the main point in this chapter. Then second thing, when they were simply discussing, Mridu heard some creaking sound and she was disturbed and she asked what is happening. So Ravi told that music master came to teach violin to Lali, and music master very good, nicely on a track, and thus Lali always get derailed, get out of track. She could not learn even a single note till date. After that, when they were discussing, there was a sound called Amma Amma. One beggar was near the gate. Rukmani was little upset. She said that tell this beggar I am not ready to give anything. So Ravi went near and told that we don't have anything, you please go from there. Beggar told, see, it's very hot outside, you do one thing, allow me to sit here for a few minutes, or in the evening I'll go. And see, these are the blisters on my feet, I can't walk. Then Ravi, Meena, Mridu saw the blisters and they decided to give a pair of chappal to beggar. What they did, they looked everywhere, they didn't find it, they took music master's chappal and gave it to beggar. Beggar went, happily ran away from there, and when music class over, music master came and he was looking for his chappal and he started scolding the children, and he was just getting out of control. Before he could say more against Rukumani's children, what Rukumani did, Rukumani took Gopu Mama's chappal and gave it to music master. And when she scolded Ravi that why you did so, Ravi told that you people always teach that we have to be kind, but once it comes to you, you are not ready. You only told me the story of Karna, who gave his earring and chest guard. Then Rukmani told that he gave his own thing, not yours. We cannot, I have to donate something, I have to donate my thing, not yours, isn't it? So last what happened, after all Rukmani is a mother. So after scolding, she just made some tiffin for these children and they all sat properly and they had their snacks. And Rukmani was thinking what will happen when Gopu Mama will come from job and he will look for his chappal. His chappal had gone to music master. So in this, few word meanings are there which you have to revise, which we have already done in the class. And then few questions. These are only few questions which I have written here. See, we'll just discuss some. What kind of chappal did the music master have? He was having black chappal which looks grey because of dust, and it was old. Finger marks can be seen there. We have done that, isn't it? Second one, who stole music master's chappal and why? Who stole? These three children, Ravi, Meena, Mridu. They did, and why? Because they want to give it to beggar. Why did music master come to Rukumani's house? Why music master comes? To teach violin to Lali. See, if you write only Lali, you will not get any marks. You have to write answer in complete sentence. Whose chappal did Rukumani give to the music master? Whose chappal Rukumani gave to music master? Gopu Mama's chappal, right? So don't get confused between Gopu Mama and Padu Mama. Padu Mama does not have much role in this. Only one time his name was mentioned that in case grandmother comes to know that we have a kitten, so grandmother will go to Padu Mama's house, and this is Gopu Mama, right? And you don't have to get confused with that. And few more questions that describe beggar. You have to write few lines about beggar and write few lines about the Rukmani. You have to describe her character. They are the main characters of this chapter. So you just revise it and this will be enough for you. Okay, thank you.